Hello friends, in this video I want to teach you step by step how to register on the Weex exchange. When we open the review related to crypto exchanges, on the TradingFinder website, select Weex and click on the Go to Website option. The page for the Weex, exchange ISA website will open for us. Through the Sign Up option, we open the account registration page, and here, by entering an email address that we haven't used to register before, and checking the box indicating that you accept all the terms and conditions of the Weex exchange, we then click, and finally select the Sign Up and Receive New User Gift option. At this stage, you need to activate the I'm Not a Robot option. And a code will be sent to your registered email address for email verification. Open the inbox of your registered email address, copy the code from there, paste it in this section and click on the Next option. At this step, you need to choose a password for logging into your account and enter it in this section. After entering your desired password, which should be between 8 and 32 characters and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, we click on the Next option. In the next step, a page will open for you related to the Welcome Bonus Pack section, which gives you new guys users up to the $30,000 in rewards. Additionally, by completing identity verification or linking your phone number and email, you can receive between $10 to $100 in coins. Right now, we are on the main dashboard page of the Weex exchange, and in upcoming videos, we will go over how to complete identity verification and upload documents to share on the Weex exchange together. Wishing you success and profitable trades.